Are you ready to dominate the male enhancement niche? Look no further than Aizen Power, the ultimate product that will revolutionize your performance in the bedroom. Designed with an exclusive list of 11 essential hyper-growing ingredients, Aizen Power is here to awaken the dormant penis growth gene and put it to work, delivering massive results that will leave you and your partner in awe. Aizen Power is unlike any other male enhancement product on the market. Its unique formula combines the power of nature with the latest scientific advancements to create a truly game-changing solution. With Aizen Power, you can expect not only a significant increase in size and girth, but also improved stamina, endurance, and overall sexual performance. What sets Aizen Power apart from the competition is its carefully selected ingredients, each chosen for their specific benefits. From Tonkat Ali, a powerful aphrodisiac that boosts testosterone levels, to Epimedium sagittatum, known for its ability to enhance blood flow to the genital area, Aizen Power addresses all aspects of male enhancement to deliver maximum results. But that's not all. Aizen Power is also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that support overall sexual health and well-being. With regular use of this remarkable product, you can say goodbye to performance anxiety and hello to mind-blowing, intense pleasure. What makes Aizen Power even more impressive is its fast-acting formula. Unlike other male enhancement solutions that take weeks to show results, Aizen Power starts working from day one. You can experience the benefits almost immediately, giving you the confidence and satisfaction you deserve. Don't settle for mediocre performance in the bedroom. Take control of your sexual health and dominance with Aizen Power. Join the countless men who have already experienced the life-changing effects of this groundbreaking product. Dominate the male enhancement niche today and unlock your true potential with Aizen Power.